Hello viewers. In today's session, we are going to learn manual installation or updates of silicon photonics based tools and process design kits developed by Professor Lucas and his team at the University of British Columbia. These tools and process design kit, that is PDK, are known as SciEpic tools and SciEpic eBeam PDK respectively. This video is extremely helpful for learners who are working in the area of silicon photonics. If you are planning to use or install or for update SciEpic tools and library of components available in SciEpic eBeam PDK on the K-Layout platform, please stay tuned to this video till last. So let us move. We can download and install this K-Layout software, that is an source open source GDS tool, that is graphic design system layout platform, from the link given in the description box. So here you can see I have installed the scale layout 0.27.5, and in that, generally, once we install this latest version of key layout as per specification of your laptop or desktop computer, generally we used to install SciEpic tools and SciEpic eBeam PDK using tool this menu. In that, we go for, we select manage packages. In the manage packages, then there is a salt package manager. This salt package manager we use to select packages such as SciEpic tools and eBeam, and others are also there to install. However, now these days, while downloading big files via a salt package manager, it gives errors, and as a result, your previous version of SciEpic tools as well as SciEpic PDKs also get deleted. So regular updates of SciEpic tools and PDKs are essential because these are continually developing and evolving as far as the richness of its functionality is concerned. That is why also this video is very important. Therefore, in a nutshell, the problem is intermediate problems with the salt package manager, where sometimes large files have difficulty in downloading. The solution is to install SciEpic tools or PDK using GitHub desktop and create a symbolic link from the K-Layout folder to the GitHub folder. So this help is also given by Professor Lucas, and 1 minute video is created by Mustafa H and uploaded on YouTube. So you can visit and see. So first of all, I am going to explain these steps theoretically, followed by demonstrating the steps of manual installation of SciEpic PDK, basically PDK. So firstly, we have to open or we have to run this uh, command prompt as an administrator. For that, we should go to this start menu. In this start menu, select this Windows system. In this Windows system, we have here command prompt. Right click on that. Then you will find these two options: more, select more, and in that more there is a run as administrator. So click on that. After that, it will ask permission, that it will, and you have to give this permission. Once you have given the permission, then command prompt will be visible. In command prompt, you will find up to this information. that is the C colon slash Windows slash system 32. Then you have to write after this greater than symbol, you have to write mk link space d slash. So this is used to create symbolic link. After that, copy and paste the path link of site folder from Klayout, which should be there in your C drive of laptop or desktop computer. In my case, it is visible like this: C drive, users, area as Klayout site. Once I copy this link and paste after this slash d d slash by giving one space, then then I have to write the SciEpic EB PDK to create a folder. Okay. Then after that, I have to, in step 4, copy and paste the path link of klayout.config folder, which is available in your GitHub repository after giving a space. In my case, the link is here. So complete link is this one, and then I will paste after just this C drive information, that is IEP PDK, and then press enter. So you will find symbolic link is created for seed for this PDK for C drive type PDK and your Klayout config. And after that, exit, open your Klayout, and you will find the SciEpic PDK components are available in the library. The same procedure you can follow for installing SciEpic tools. However, you can follow the Mr. Mustafa's 1 minute tutorial. Generally, SciEpic tools are installed first, then followed by SciEpic EB PTK. So let us move now for demonstration. So here I will stop sharing this screen. Now share my this command prompt. You can see here command prompt is visible. In command prompt, as I was telling, I have to, in first step, I have to write mk link slash d. So I will write here, mk link space slash d. Give that space. Now copy the link of salt folder which is there in your C drive of Klayout. So that I will open here salt folder. I will share that how it looks. So window, this is the salt. So you can see here this PC, C drive, users, area as Klayout, salt. And that if I just click here, so you will see it is the link is selected. Now I will use Control C command to copy this link. And after that, I will paste it. I will paste in command prompt. So window, command prompt, share it. Going to this and here Control V. So you can see the site is available here. Now after that I have to write SciEpic underscore EBPDK. SciEpic underscore EB underscore PDK to create a folder in that salt folder. Now this space, now I will copy and paste the link of Klayout config file. So that is available in another GitHub folder. So I will share this. You can see this is the location where my Klayout config folder is there. You can see this G drive, that there is a folder learner SCA, GitHub, SciEpic EB, PDK. This is the folder, and I'm copying now its path link. Control C, and now I will paste it in command prompt. Now stop. Now open window. This is the command prompt, and Control V. So you can see it is now pasted. After that, I will just press enter. So you can see symbolic link created for C and such and for this K layout. So after that, you just exit, and I can show you now. There must be folder created in SciEpic. Yes, it is created. Let me show you. Window. This is salt, and here a folder SciEpic EB symbolic link is created. So in order to check, I have to open. I have to open K layout as a editor, in the editor window, and we'll show you. Just hold on and go to start. Then here this is K layout, and K layout editor mode. I have clicked it. It will take time. However, you shall able to see the SciEpic PDK in your K layout. So with this, I would like to thank you for attending this small video. You can see here again. If you would like to revise it, I can show you these steps. So what we have done, we have first opened the command prompt as an administrator, and after that written mk link /d, then copy the path link of uh, salt folder, then your uh, SciEpic configuration is there, SciEpic PDK klayout.config file is there. Then we have we have successfully installed this SciEpic PDK. So it's still opening. So thank you so much for your kind attention. See you soon.